Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. If you are a returning subscriber, I welcome you, and obviously if you're not subscribed, you're also welcomed, but do ensure that you are subscribed because I have new videos coming out daily. Now today I'm going to be doing an unboxing hair video on my wig that just arrived. And it arrived from FedEx. I can say it took about, I would say a week to come. So that's not bad compared to like other vendors. And I ordered my hair from DHL'S. Yep, DHL'S, not AliExpress. And so I already opened it from the side because I wanted to make sure it wasn't actually my hair. But the only thing that I can say about this vendor is like the hair comes with like no instructions, no product detail, so it doesn't tell you how long the hair is, it doesn't tell you what color, it doesn't tell you the length. It's just, you know, there's just like no effort's really been put into this, but hopefully the hair can make up for the packaging. And literally guys, there's literally nothing else in the bag. There's nothing else in there, nothing else in there. So, but the product descriptions from my order, this is a unprocessed 100% human hair WATERWAVE virgin human hair full lace wig with natural color. So this is the WATERWAVE virgin human hair, and it is a full lace. Okay, and if you want to see what my order looked like online, this is what it looked like. I don't know if you can, like, let me turn off the light and then so you can see properly. So that was the order. Now, and from what I can remember, I got this, I think, is this like 16? I think that I normally get my wigs really long. So the longest wig I've had was like 30 inches, okay? Literally 30 inches. So I just decided to go short this time. Maybe this is shorter than 16. And the lace. And guys, as you can see, it's plucked really well. Like, this is outstanding. It is plucked really well. It has a very like natural, oh gosh, sorry. It has a really like natural look to it. And as you can see, it's been bleached close enough to my complexion. So that's another positive with this vendor. And the baby hairs are looking good. I won't need to pluck these baby hairs anymore. I won't need to pluck this anymore. And there's no shedding. No shedding whatsoever. Now, some of you may be thinking, what is the difference between deep wave and WATERWAVE? That's what some of you may be thinking. I do have a couple of notes that's going to answer your questions. And obviously to get this to my desired look, I'm going to put in loads of like water. So I've got my spray bottles. I've got my Cantu curl activating cream. So all of these is going to help me to get my desired wet look. And when I install this, you're going to see, because I'm going to be installing it on camera. So don't worry guys, you won't be missing out on anything. And this is the hair from the side. It's just plucked really well. It's plucked really well. Literally really, really well. Really well. So some of you may be thinking, as I said before, what is the difference between deep wave and water wave? Deep wave and water wave hair has a similar curl pattern. You may wonder the difference between the two hairstyles. The curls of the water wave are not in one direction, which is the opposite, and it carries a lot of volume. And this is why I always get this type of curl pattern, because I love the volume, and when you add the water, there's still a lot of volume and density to the hair. Sorry, I've lost my notes. It has an exquisite top weft. It's tangle free, no shedding, especially because it's 100% human hair. The deep wave curl pattern is close to water wave. So deep curls is close to water wave, but it's more of a loose, deep wave. And all curls are in one direction. The hair looks healthy, shiny, and bouncy. And it has healthy full ends, and it's full and thick and high quality, and notice the ends, and it's shiny, no word of a doubt. So I cannot wait to install this hair. And guys, if you like this wig, comment down below. Comment down below. And just remember, you're going to get to see me install the wig, and you're going to see what products and so forth that I use. And don't forget to subscribe. Do not leave from here without subscribing. And also ensure that you press the bell, so every single time I post one of my amazing videos, you're the first one to like and view it. So guys, stay tuned for the update on my